Are you looking for how to convert vCard files into PDF file format? And are you searching for trusted solution online? Corbett Software Backup and Restore Wizard, perfect tool to convert multiple vCard files into PDF file format. Now let's check out the main features of the software. Bulk vCard files to PDF file format conversion at once. The vCard Converter software offers dual search mode. Perform conversion of selective vCard files into PDF file format, maintains 100% data integrity of the converted files. Let's install and run the tool. Simple and user-friendly UI is a major feature of this standalone tool. Click on Open tab and choose drop-down option. Select Email Data Files. Now select vCard Files option, then select Choose Folders or Choose Files option to browse your vCard files. You can choose the desired vCard files folder from your system, and after selecting the folder click Select Folder to proceed. The software has analyzed files and folders. Select the vCard files folder to load your contacts in the software panel. Select any of the contact file to see the preview with all details. You can also see the raw vCard preview to check the raw details of your contacts. As you can see, there is a search option that is called Quick Search. It's time to introduce one of the most beneficial features of Tool Advanced Search. It finds information within the contacts. Now you can pick the contacts option if you want such information like full name, company, email, etc. You can click here to close the Advanced Mode section. Now go to Export tab, and select PDF option from drop-down menu. Now go to Browse option and pick a location to save the output. Now let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is open folders. After export is done, if you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved automatically opens after the conversion. The next is skip grayed out folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your files. To create empty folders, please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next one is delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder. Other is show page number. If you enable this option, it allows you to insert page numbers. The last option is save attachments in a folder. Enabling this option, you can save attachments in a separate folder. Apply these advanced options as per your requirement. Finally, go to Save button and see the live process of vCard files conversion into PDF file format. If you want to convert complete data, then you need to buy license. After conversion process is done, then click on Open Folder to view the output. Now you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get converted vCard files into PDF file format. Thanks for watching.